Hello everyone. In this video, given as a rectangle, a circle is inscribed in this rectangle in such a way that it is tangent from three sides of the rectangle from inside. This circle has radius is equal to 6 units. Another circle is drawn in this rectangle in such a way that it is tangent to the two adjacent sides of the rectangle, and it is also tangent to the first circle having radius is equal to 6 unit. If the perimeter of this rectangle is 60 units, then we have to find the radius of this smaller circle. Let's move towards the solution. Perimeter of the rectangle is 60 units, and we know that perimeter formula is 2 times length plus width. Since radius of this larger circle is 6 unit, which is exactly half of the width of this rectangle, so width of this rectangle is 12 units. If we substitute this value of width in this formula, we will get 2 times L plus 12 is equal to 60, and from here if we divide by 2 on both sides, L plus 12 is equal to 30, and length of this rectangle is 18 units. So length of the rectangle is 18 unit. Since length is 18 units and radius of this larger circle is 6 units, so this remaining length is 12 units. Let we call the radius of smaller circle as r. Then this line segment, which is from the center of smaller circle to the radius which is normal to this side, is 12 minus r. Now this length is also small r, and since this whole length is 6 units, so this piece of length will be 6 minus r. Now if we join the centers of the circle, both circles, we know that the centers of the circle and their point of tangency is always collinear. So this length is equal to the sum of two radii, which are 6 and r. So this length is equal to 6 plus r units. If we focus on this right triangle, which I have blue shaded, then hypotenuse is 6 plus r, and the legs are 6 minus r and 12 minus r. Now using Pythagorean theorem on this right triangle, we will have 6 plus r square is equal to 6 minus r square plus 12 minus r square. Expanding these binomials, we will get this relation. R square on left and right will be cancelled out with r square, and 36 will be cancelled out with 36. So this equation will reduce into 12r is equal to minus 12r plus 144 plus r square minus 24r. Further simplifying this equation, we will get r square minus 48r plus 144 is equal to 0, which is quadratic in r. If we write the quadratic formula in r, then r will be minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is equal to 1, b is minus 48, and c is 144. So substituting these values in this formula, we will get this, and after simplification, some simplification, we will get 48 plus minus square root of 2304 minus 576 whole divided by 2. And if we solve this radical, simplify, this will 48 plus minus 1728 divided by 2, and dividing by 2 to the both terms, we will get r is equal to 24 plus minus square root of 432. If we simplify these two roots, there are two roots. One is 24 plus square root of 432 and other is 24 minus square root of 432. So if we use calculator and find the precise value in fraction, R will give 44.7846 and 3.2153. If we analyze these two values, the length of this rectangle is 18 unit and this is some portion of that rectangle. So 44 value of this radius is equal to 44.7846 is impossible, and thus we reject this value. The possible value of r is the only 3.2153. So radius of this smaller circle is 3.2153 units. That is the answer. Thank you for watching.